Well, it's all quiet right now, Eric, but we have a storm system we're watching as we go into this time tomorrow, into tomorrow night. I think this is a pretty fast-moving storm system, our next weather maker. We're going to talk much more about that here in a second. But for now, know that tonight is quiet, and the first half of the day tomorrow, too, looks to be quiet. So we're watching a storm system getting its act together out across South Texas. This is a storm system that is going to move to the northeast quickly, and as it does, on the north side, it's going to have snow. We're already starting to see that, and places like Dallas, Oklahoma City, Little Rock, even Memphis is going to see several inches of snow out of this. South side is going to be dealing with more rain showers along, say, the Gulf Coast states. So the south side of the storm is a little bit warmer, as you would expect, as you get closer to New Orleans, Jackson, Mississippi. A lot of what they're going to see is rain and some thunderstorms. But for us, yep, we're going to see snow here, and everybody is going to see snow. This is not just a West Slope thing. Let's show you Futurecast. Tonight, no weather worries. We're just going to be fair for the first 2/3 of the night. Very late tonight, may start to see a couple of clouds pushing in. Otherwise, it looks like tomorrow morning, we're going to see some breaks of sunshine for a little bit, okay? But we're going to cloud up pretty quickly, such that by the time we get closer to, say, noon, 1, 2 o'clock, we're going to start to see some snow pushing in. The NRV is the first that's going to see the snow, and it could be on the moderate side for a little while out across the NRV. The precipitation's lighter to the north and to the east, but that even fills in as we get closer to the mid to latter part of the afternoon. And tomorrow night, it's going to snow. It is going to snow quite a bit. And we're going to maybe mix in with a little bit of freezing rain and sleet from time to time, but for the most part, this is snow for us. Okay, so how much snow do we see? The answer to that question is, I think, about 1 to 4 inches, okay? And I think there could be a couple of bursts of snow that create a couple of amounts a little bit greater than that. But for the most part, area-wide, we're looking at about 1 to 4 inches of snow out of this. So this is not going to be, you know, an 8 to 10 incher. But it is going to create some travel difficulties, if not some travel treachery, if you will, as we go especially into late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Now, temperatures stand for us right now: 17 in Hot Springs, 20 in Wytheville, 27 Roanoke, 30 in Lynchburg, also into Danville. So most areas right now at or below freezing. And here's the thing. We're going to stay cold here for the next 3 days or so. Cold today, cold tomorrow, cold on Saturday. Even on Sunday, temperatures are going to be pretty cold. But you also need to know we're in good company. A lot of the country is going to be very, very cold here Friday into Saturday. There are some indications that by Monday, Monday, we're going to warm into the 40s. But behind that storm system that gets us Monday night, temperatures then fall into the 20s and 30s again by Tuesday and Wednesday. So a little warm up for us on Monday. And after that, Arctic air returns. So for tonight, 14. It's going to be a night where we're going to be a tad on the breezy side. It is going to be cold. We're going to have, I think, skies partly cloudy to mostly clear. And then for tomorrow, looking at highs about 34. 34 is your high tomorrow, 36 on Saturday, 38 on Sunday. There's that high about 44 on Monday. Then we fall into the 20s and 30s as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I think Sunday's dry, and frankly, most of Saturday is too. Saturday, I think that the snow is gone right around daybreak. And then by Saturday afternoon, we see sunshine. So a good part of the weekend actually is going to be sun-filled. Just know that Friday into Friday night, things are going to be hairy for us, and we could be dealing with some travel difficulties on Saturday, maybe a stray shower or two on Monday and Tuesday. But for the most part, we're just partly sunny. John, Rachel.